Yes, student, the next reaction is sulfonation of aniline. Getting? When aniline is reacted with concentrated sulfuric acid at 455 to 475 Kelvin temperature. That is what? The temperature is very high. That is, you can say, drastic condition. Drastic condition. It forms sulfonilic acid. Sulfonilic acid. Actually, sulfonilic acid, the name is called para-amino. Remember here, para-amino benzene sulfonilic acid. Para-amino sulfonic acid. Getting? Para-amino sulfonic acid, because here in the nomenclature SO3H is given more priority. Thus here the name is given para-amino, means amine group becomes here what? Substituent. Getting? Actually aniline first react with H2SO4 to form salt due to acid base reaction. Acid base means aniline is acid and H2SO4 is base, so due to acid base reaction. Like here, this is aniline plus concentrated H2SO4. Now as you know, there is lone pair, so it act as what? It act as Lewis base, and this become what? Acid. So the acid base reaction takes place, and due to acid base reaction, now the compound form is salt. This is NH. Now one of the lone pair is given, so H will attach here, therefore this become NH3. Okay, and the lone pair is dismissed and HSO4. So here that become anion and then become what? Cation. So this become what? Salt. Therefore, to break down this salt, the high temperature, that is the drastic condition, require 455 to 475 Kelvin temperature, and here now the compound converts into NH2 and SO3H. Okay, this is called para-amino benzene sulfonic acid. Benzene sulfonic acid, or this is also termed as sulfonilic acid. Sulfonilic acid. Student, now in this compound again you can check, there is what? Lone pair, that is now this group can act as base, and this is what? Acid. This can act as acid. Therefore what? The internal reaction is possible. This is called rearrangement, and when the rearrangement takes place, now the compound converts into, like here, lone pair is donated to H, therefore now again it will become NH3, and this will be what? Cation, because the lone pair is donated, and there is what? SO3, and that SO3 become what? Minus charge. So such compound is called what? Zwitter ion. This is one of the very important ion called what? Zwitter ion. This is about sulfonation. Now student, you know one more reaction remains. This reaction is known as what? Friedel-Crafts reaction. Friedel-Crafts reaction. Okay, but this reaction is not given by amine. This reaction is not given by amine. given by amines, or you can call it what, aniline. Okay, now the question is why. The answer, because for Friedel-Crafts reaction, anhydrous AlCl3, okay, and anhydrous AlCl3 is a Lewis acid, okay. First reacts with what, aniline. Now the aniline is what, aniline is a Lewis base, to form a stable salt, How this? It is NH2 plus AlCl3. Getting? Now the lone pair of NH2 is donated. Therefore now the compound become what? Compound becomes NH2AlCl3. Now AlCl3 will acquire minus charge and nitrogen will acquire positive charge. Now being the nitrogen is positive charge, so it will decrease the electron density. Besides of increase electron density, it will decrease electron density. How? It will withdraw electron from benzene ring, and therefore the orthoparadirectin or electrophilic substitution reaction is not possible. So you have to write the explanation why Friedel-Crafts reaction is not given by aniline. So you can say here the stable forms consist what, positive, negative charge. These positive charge now, besides of electron withdrawing, okay, I mean electron donating, it becomes electron withdrawing group. It withdraws electron from benzene ring, and therefore there is no chances of electrophilic substitution reaction of benzene ring. Remember, not possible of benzene ring. That's it. So this chapter is completed. I will give some work as assignment. You have to read properly. You have to solve all the all the NCERT in text question and exercise questions, so that you can grasp the chapter more nicely. Thank you.